A dozen dogs. Chapter 1. A dozen dogs. Two dogs go to the beach. Wanna come along? Wanna come along, Mama? Those are close to land. One fat dog. What's a fat dog, Mommy? Here. That one? One fat dog, one skinny dog. One white dog, two white and black dogs. One hot dog going to the two round dogs. They look like twins. They hungry. Yes, hot dog. Another hot dog going to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. 12 dogs at the beach. Dogs meet dogs. Dogs meet dogs. Yakety-yak. A dozen dogs. A dozen dogs all around. Chapter 2. Swimming. I love to swim, but I never have done that before.
You never swim, Chloe?
I never done that.
When you went to the beach, you didn't swim?
Oh.
You didn't swim in the beach?
Yes. They want to go swimming. Want to come around?
Why do you want to go swimming?
Because I like you.
Okay. I would never know.
I guess my mommy know where I was, because she was ready to be a hug. 5 dogs.
5 dogs died.
Yes, 7 dogs on a raft. 5 dogs to yes. And now there's 2 dogs on a raft.
Did you read this book before? This is the first time reading this book?
10 fighting dogs in the water. Jump out.
Jump in.
Jump in. Wow. Jump in right now.
Is that fun?
Dogs on the left. Get jump. Why are they here?
Maybe they never went to the water.
What can they do? Can they jump together? 1, 2, 3, jump! No dogs on the left. 7 dogs go swimming. The doggy paddle. Chapter 3. Fishing. 2 dogs go fishing. Want to go along? He caught a big whale. Why did he catch a whale?
He's fishing.
Oh, he caught a big fish.
It looks like a fish. He's looking like a fish.
It is a whale.
Oh, look at that crocodile.
A crocodile whale. My favorite kayak. 2 dogs on a big fish. 1 big
Say that again.
Two ducks in a boat. Catch a fish. One big fish. One little fish. One little fish. One donkey fish.
Okay.
Two ducks in a boat. Catch a fish. One fat fish. One skinny fish. Two red fish. Twins.
Again?
Goat twins.
How do you know that's girls?
Because they're red.
Excuse me.
That's because they like your picture.
Okay.
Two ducks catching more.
Catch what section?
Two ducks catching 4 more fish. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight fish. Two ducks in the boat catching a whale. Two ducks swimming.
Two dogs.
Going swimming. Wanna come along?
Do you know that a whale is not a fish? It lives in the ocean, but it's not a fish. It's a mammal. Did you finish reading your book? Do you want to share the cover or you just leave it?
There's a cover. Here's the cover of my book.
What's the name of the book?
A dozen dogs.
Whoa!
It's a big book.
Just a little.